Okay, power chords using an A shape. The fundamental chord, again, you're going to want to use ring finger. Use the first digit, cover 2 strings. Leave the A string open, and you're going to cover the 2nd fret on the D string and the G string. Okay, now bring your bar in, and you're just going to play the same 3 strings. Okay, put your pointer finger down on the 1st fret of the A string and just play 3 strings. Move it up, move it up, move it up, move it up. Okay, so again, that's fundamental notes, again using the root, the 5th, and the octave. Now you could also play them as power major and power minor. So power major would be the entire bar. So again, you're going to bar with this digit covering 3 strings: the D string, the G string, and the B string. You're going to move it up 1 fret, put your bar down, and that is your A-shaped power chord major. Now you could also do an A-shaped power chord minor using the alternative fingering for A minor. Okay, you're going to leave the A string open. Ring finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D string. Pinky is on the 2nd fret of the G string, and the middle finger is on the 1st fret of the B string. Now you take your bar, nice and flat, move it up, so once again, use your alternative A minor shape, lay the bar down, and now you got you can go all the way up until you're uncomfortable. Hope that helps you.